welcome. I'm Candace. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with me today. On this video, I'm going to be unboxing with you guys the IPSY Glambag Plus for May 2020. While I open the box, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and while you're there, also click that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Okay. This is so exciting. I get like way too pumped. Ooh, and I see my choice item right on top. Here's the card that comes in this box. It is themed Get That Glow, so let's get our glow on. I'm gonna go right for my choice item because I've been waiting for this. This is the Tartiest Mascara by Tarte. I got a Tarte mascara a few months back in my Allure beauty box and I have been in love with it. It's one of the only mascaras, oh, this tube is so cute. It's one of the only mascaras that doesn't really irritate my eyes because by the end of the day my eyes are just so red and just so irritated, but the Tarte one really doesn't bother my eyes, so I figured I would get another Tarte mascara. This is different than the one I currently have. The one I have now is actually like a bamboo style tube, but this is really, really pretty, and it is black, of course. Oh, okay, so it's a different kind of wand than my other one. This is more of like that plasticky type wand, which I don't mind. A lot of people don't like it, but it's fine. It's just like the first time I use it, I'm like confused, but then I get like my muscle memory back, so love getting Tarte products. This is an eyeshadow palette by Colored Rain. It is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. It is by Colored Rain. And these colors right here are my total jam. This right here I can tell already is going to be one of my go-to palettes. These are just the colors that I gravitate towards. I have green eyes, so purples really look nice and they make my green eyes pop. Yes! Oh, that's exciting! And to accompany that eyeshadow palette, we have some eyeshadow brushes. Oh, sorry. These are by Tarte as well? No. That made my whole day. Why am I so in love with this? First of all, this is just straight up cute. So these look like little pencils, can you see? And then it looks like paper. This is so well thought out. I love this. Goal getter, stay sharp, write your story. This is really, really, really sweet. I love this. I'm so happy with this. And it's gonna go perfectly with my little eyeshadow palette. I can stop now because I'm super happy. I can't believe I got 2 Tarte products. I need to calm down because like these other products, I don't even like care. And that's so wrong. I like should care, but I'm so happy with this. Like I could stop now. So the next product I have in here is by Mud Meskai. I hope I'm saying that right. And this is a vitamin aftermath serum. pH balance, extra smooth, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing, all of these great things. Made in the Netherlands. You don't see that very often. Odorless. Feels a little tacky. This was made fresh in Amsterdam. I've never seen that. Very interesting. Cool. The last product I have in here is from Wander Beauty. I haven't seen Wander Beauty pop up in my subscription boxes lately. So let's see what this is. Oh, like a clear brow gel. I really don't use clear brow gels because I don't feel like they do anything for me, but maybe that's what these sad brows actually need, is some brow gel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it and see if I like it. Here is the bag for this month. Very summery, not my favorite bag. The inside of it is probably like the best part. It's like confetti is sprinkled inside. So this is a cute bag, but it's not like my favorite bag. I think it's the tassel that's throwing me off. If I get rid of the tassel, it's a little bit better. Whew, I got some really cool products this month. I am very pleased. IPSY's been doing really well. So I just want to share this with you guys. I've always liked IPSY, but I've never been like blown away until recently when I started going on their app and reviewing each and every product that I've received from the month. So once you get your bag, try out your products, see how you like them, and then go on the app and review everything, especially the ones that you love. Tell them that you like that. Whew, that was awesome. Love this box. Okay, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and do that. While you're there, click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!